Using Brevo CRM helps you manage and nurture your customer relationships effectively. Here's a concise guide on how to use Brevo CRM. Log into Brevo. Visit the Brevo website and log into your account. Set up CRM. Navigate to the CRM tab in the dashboard. Click on Get Started to initialize your CRM. Import contacts. Import your existing contacts by uploading a CSV file or manually adding them. Ensure all contact information is accurate and up to date. Organize contacts. Segment your contacts into different lists based on criteria like demographics, purchase history, or engagement level. Use tags to categorize and filter contacts for more precise targeting. Manage deals. In the deals section, create and manage sales pipelines. Add new deals, assign them to team members, and track their progress through various stages. Set reminders and deadlines to keep track of follow-ups and important tasks. Track interactions. Log all interactions with contacts, including emails, calls, and meetings. Use the contact timeline to view a history of all communications and activities related to each contact. Automate workflows. Set up automated workflows to streamline repetitive tasks. Create workflows for lead nurturing, follow-ups, and other processes to save time and improve efficiency. Analyze performance. Use the CRM's analytics tools to monitor your sales performance. Generate reports on deals, activities, and team performance to identify areas for improvement.